when you get into the meditative state and you go into your mind and you create the feeling of whatever it is that you want, you open the door and you walk out into your life. So the world looks the same. Everything, your house, your couch, your friends, your neighborhood, your husband, your wife, your dogs, your kids, your cat, everything looks the same, except the emotional equivalent of where you've climbed off that elevator is going to be where you were feeling in that meditative state. And if you are having a bad day, you have the power and the potential to get back into your elevator and pick a different emotional state, curate the feeling in your mind, expand it from your mind into your brain, and then come out of that elevator, which would be opening your eyes. Everything will look the same, except you've tapped into a different frequency. So here's the thing. When we go into our minds in the morning and we teach priming, you are going into your mind and you are priming your emotional state. The world looks the same because the elevator is going to look the same on every single level. It's the emotional state that's going to change. And then if your emotional state changes, it changes how you get to experience everything in that world.